Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into a new English word every episode to help you expand your vocabulary and confidence. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's get right into our word of the day, able. Able is an adjective that means having the power or skill to do something. So, if someone is able to do something, it means they have the capability or expertise to make it happen. Let's talk about a few synonyms. Words similar to able include capable, competent, and skilled. For example, if you say, "She's very capable in her role," it means she has the skills required to do her job well. Another example could be, "He's a competent swimmer," suggesting he's trained and skilled in swimming. You might also say, "She's skilled in painting," meaning she's good at it and has the know-how. Now, let's look at some antonyms. The opposite of able would be words like unable, incompetent, or unskilled. For instance, if someone is unable to attend a meeting, it simply means they can't make it. Saying, "He's incompetent in this area," would imply that he doesn't have the skills or ability to succeed at it. Another example could be, "She's unskilled in cooking," meaning she hasn't mastered that skill yet. Now, let's talk about how able might come up in everyday life. You might say, "I'm able to finish my project by Friday," to let someone know you have the skills and time to get it done. Or you might hear, "Are you able to come to the meeting at 3 p.m.?" in a work context where they're asking if you're free and have the means to attend. Here are a few more sentence examples with able. After weeks of practice, she was finally able to play the song perfectly. He's always able to find a solution, no matter how challenging the problem is. If you're able to help with the event, we'd really appreciate it. To sum it up, able is a word we use to describe someone who has the skill or capacity to do something. It's versatile, common, and a great addition to your everyday vocabulary. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show too. And here's a fun challenge. Try using able in a sentence of your own and share it with us in the comments. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.